A life without some kind of purpose can never really be properly directed. For the final thing that we must attain in our maturity is insight. We must learn what is really important. We must begin to learn not only what we have to have, but what we are best off without. The individual who wakes up in himself, it is not necessary for him to compromise. He has to recognize the value of integrity. It is not necessary for him to be part of anything he does not approve of. Man obviously has more faculties, more powers, more propensities, more capacities than are ever used.